Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're doing a birthday look because tomorrow is my birthday. So I have my crown on, ready to go. I have my favorite color on, purple, you know. So we are using the Glamour Night palette that I mentioned in my massive drugstore haul, and here it is. It's so beautiful. So we do use that. We use some glitter today. We use one of my favorite foundations and one of my neglected but very gorgeous liquid lipsticks. So if you're interested in how I got this look or anything else, just keep on watching. So as I mentioned, I am doing a birthday look. My birthday is September 7th. I'm turning 26 years old. I am a Virgo. My gemstone is sapphire. I've done a sapphire look on here last year, so if you want to watch that, it's going to be down below. And happy birthday to you if today's your birthday, or yesterday, or the day before, or even after this. Happy birthday to you as well. And yeah, hopefully it's a great rest of the year, and next year could be better. I wanted to mention, if you guys like drugstore makeup, if that's your thing, if that's your jam, go ahead and subscribe. Maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you like this video, if you could give it a big like, that would be amazing. Let's get right into it. The first item we're going to go into is one of my favorite brow pencils, and that's the AOA Studio Slim Brow in Ebony. So we are going to go ahead and fill in the eyebrows with that. And like I mentioned, I have my crown on. We're ready. We are ready for action. So what I really love is that it's super thin, as you can see, and it's $1 and it's just really amazing. I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that through the brows. Love this pencil because it just leaves your brows like so natural looking. I am gonna clean them up using my COVERGIRL concealer, and I use mine in Golden Natural, and it's just so good for cleaning up brows. It's like a little thick, so you can move it around and spread it out, and it's not gonna be drippy and stuff. Okay, so now that we look crazy, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime the lids. I love this part. Super excited to go in with this palette. This is the one that I mentioned in my massive drugstore haul from Amazon, and it's so pretty, it's gorgeous, and it's called the Glamour Night palette. And they have like other versions of this, but it's like a whole purple palette. It's so gorgeous. I did use this in a IGTV video on Instagram, but I haven't used it on YouTube, so we are going to use this today. Yeah, these shades though, they are gorgeous. Taking Tailored Walnut and throwing that in the crease. It's so pretty. I think this palette retailed for like $10 or something, but it came with an eyeliner and some like eyelash extension little pad things. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go into mellow purple. It's like this kind of magenta shade. I think it's a shimmer, actually. Yeah, I think it's a shimmer. That says not packing a punch. So I'm gonna go to Sun and Mood instead, and that is like a deeper purple. I love purple, it's my favorite color. And the nails I'm wearing, they're actually LA Colors nails that I bought at Dollar Tree. They're really pretty. I think these are like the Halloween ones. So cute. I think, oh, they're in Cursed. I was trying to remember all day like what they're called. They're in Cursed. So pretty. Oh, this color, yes. So now that we have that color down, I think I'm gonna take that mottled pink cloud shade. It's really pretty, and I'm just gonna use it to blend the edges. I'm gonna take like this smaller brush. I'm gonna go into the dark purple, the Mystery Universe. Well, here. So now I think I'm gonna go into Oracle Light. It's such a pretty shimmer shade. Ooh. In the fluffy brush, I'm just gonna mix the two dark purples and go out here. Okay, and I'm gonna take that smaller brush, same two colors, and go here. I love to use this brush to bring it in here. Okay, going in with mainstay. Gonna put that here. So kind of blend them in so they're not like, there's no line right there. Pretty shade. Actually, I want to go in and use some glitter. I'm going to take the Santee glitter that they sent me a while back, and this one's in shade 12. I'm just going to put that there. This glitter came out a little chunky. I was thinking like a thin line, but well, this looks pretty too. Look cute. Okay. So now I'm gonna go into my favorite Artista liner from the Shop Miss A website, and this one's just in the purple one. I love this, so we're just gonna use this to make a wing liner situation. I love this liner so much. Okay. I love like going up here where the glitter is and then just connecting my wing. Throw on some mascara. I'm just using the Beauty Treats one for my Dollar Tree video that's going to be down below if you want to watch, but I am going to throw some of this on. I'm going to go ahead and pop these Beauty Creations lashes on, and these are the 3D silk lashes in Take the Spotlight. So I'll be right back. Just talk about the fact, okay, I have one on, right? It looks cute. I'm trying to take these off and they're literally so stuck on the plastic thing that I can't even remove them. Like, I tore a little piece off. I can't even remove them. They're so stuck on this thing. What? This is not cute, girl. Look at that. Now it's all ripped. These were cute. To get the Eyeliner thing, and I'm just gonna try these on and hopefully they look good. I'm back. The lashes are on. These are so much better. So much easier to apply. Let's go into primer, and this is the AOA Studio Perfect Filter Primer that I love. So I'm gonna throw some of this on. Oh, these lashes are so pretty. Eyeliner lashes always blow me away. They're super cheap and they're just nice, easy to apply. I honestly wore some of their other pairs like 10 times and they're still going strong. I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to put some of this on. I'm actually running out, so I don't know if it's gonna pump out or not. Beauty Creations foundation. This is the Flawless Stay foundation, and I use mine in FS 7.0. I always talk about this. I rave about it. It's amazing. Yeah, it's not my perfect shade, but it's nice. I like it. So, yay, it's coming out. I'm gonna purchase another one. Going back with the COVERGIRL concealer. I love this part. See that? Like, I love this concealer. So pretty on the skin. I do have some freshly washed brushes. Yeah, because the other ones were a little dirty. You guys will be seeing those brushes in upcoming videos, but you know. So I'm going in with my Profusion Pro Contour Kit, which, have you guys seen like how much pan I have in them? So I'm going to take these two shades to set my under eyes, and I think I'm going to start dipping into this shade so we could hit some pan there too. These powders are just so pretty. To throw some of that same powder on these areas. For powder all over the face, we're going to go into the Smoke and Mirrors setting powder, and this is that powder that I found at the 99. It's just really pretty on the face, so we are going to use this today. And it's just like a white powder. Okay, using that same Profusion powder situation, we're gonna go into these two shades. So for blush, I'm gonna go into this Ulta Beauty palette thing, and I'm gonna take that purple shade right here. I'm actually gonna mix these two. Actually, I'm just gonna stick to the purple. The purple one looks so cute, so we're gonna go ahead. For highlight, we're gonna go into the LA Colors Beauty and Bloom Little Tin in Quartz. Throw on some eyeliner. Just gonna finish up the lower lash line. Taking those two dark purples. Okay, so that's the shadow using the Glamour Night palette. I'm gonna go into the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner. Okay, I'm gonna take something that I actually haven't used in a long time, and it's my little NARS mini, and this one's an American Woman, and it's just like a little sample size. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on. It's such a little cute sample. It's such a beautiful, beautiful shade. Look at that. I love this. Oh, I don't know why I haven't been reaching for it, but it's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna top it off with this Beauty Treats, no, what am I talking about? Beauty Benefits So Lit Lip Gloss, and this is just a clear one. I'm gonna top it off with that so we can have a little glossy moment. Setting the brows. And now last but not least, last step is setting spray. Beauty Creations Coconut Setting Spray. I'm almost out of this, so I am trying to pan it, but let's go ahead and set this in place. So this is the final look. I think it looks really cute. This palette really does always blow me away on Instagram, on here now. Like, it's so pretty. I'm so happy that I picked it up, and it's gonna be down below if you want to pick it up for yourself. But they have like other versions and stuff, but yeah, it's so pretty, really gorgeous. The glitter I wasn't a huge fan of, we know this. The lips are so cute. Like, I really wanted a kind of more neutrally pinky kind of lip, and this honestly fits the bill, and it's just really nice. I love this. And then I love my earrings. I got these on the Santee website. In all, it was a good day. The makeup looks really good, and I'm gonna have a great day on my birthday. Thank you guys so much for spending this day with me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. But I'm still doing my outro, so not yet. What am I doing? Slow your roll. So everything that I used today, all the names, all the prices are going to be down below for your convenience, and some videos that I uploaded last week if you want to watch those. Everything is down there. Don't forget, I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. And I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds. I post makeup looks, IGTV videos, everything over there. If you're interested in that, or that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and follow me there, and we could become friends. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.